I'm still buggy sitting.
Well,
This is why every buggy should learn how to cook.
And we can start with baking cookies.
Okay, Shimmer, let's get started. Sorry, Shimmer, I think the cookies will have to wait. Whoa, easy does it, Cowbugs.
Come and sing along, it's the buggy conga. Have a lot of fun,
Yes, the buggy conga. Join our happy songa. Wiggle, play the bonga.
You can't do it wrong, when you buggy conga.
Spindera,
What is it now, Spideras?
how's a spider supposed to sleep with this noisy ruckus?
Sleep? Never go to bed this early.
Did I say sleep? I meant read. Can you come down and help me find my book?
Honestly, Spideras, the kids are having so much fun. Why must you keep interrupting us?
Come and sing along, it's the buggy conga.
She knows the right way.
Hey, why are you so upset, Spideras?
Well, all that music and dancing and laughter and noise. How do you think that makes me feel?
Left out?
Well, yes, that's nonsense. What in all of Sunny Patch makes you think I want to join in all that silly fun?
Well, because sometimes I feel that way too.
Really?
Uh-huh. But maybe it's time we both join the party. What do you say?
Well, perhaps, just for a moment. I did observe that those little bugs could use a few pointers on a proper conga step.
Wow, you're good.
Well, I used to be a dancer, you know.
Maybe later you could help us make cookies?
Cookies? I should say so. And step, shuffle, ball change. And step, shuffle, ball change.
Gee, I never realized Spideras could be so much fun.
Sometimes all a bug needs is a push in the right direction. Thanks, Shimmer.
You're welcome.
Now, I think I owe you a cookie baking lesson.
Okay. Really good.
And you made these delicious tidbits yourself, Shimmer?
Well, I had a little help.
All right, it's buggy bedtime, everyone.
Oh, we're having so much fun.
Now, if you run off to bed like good little bugs, perhaps I'll grace you with a nocturnal narrative.
Yay! A nocturnal narrative! Was that?
A bedtime story. Once upon a time, in a land not so terribly far away, lived a little worm who liked to keep to himself. Well, at least that's what he said.
Oh, hi, you two. How was your anniversary night out? It was so wonderful, Spindella. Then I guess we all had a great time tonight.
So, our little buggies didn't give you any trouble?
Actually, one buggy turned out to be a real handful. But he's nice and quiet now. Come on.
Spideras looks like one tuckered out dad.
Maybe we can buggy sit for you at Spideras someday. Maybe someday.
Шемасы шөмәрімін соны, финны қазайетаған Қазақстан оты телеарнасы 2010 жыл.